Alright guys, so I've just landed in Orlando, Florida. It's super nice out here right now. Way warmer than Ohio. We're gonna be out here for the whole week. Ryan and Natalie came up with the idea for this trip. And then on Saturday, the Olympia Expo and the Olympia show is going down. So that should be a lot of fun. I think we'll be attending the expo. I don't know if we'll be able to secure tickets to the show or not because right now it is sold out. But yeah, it should be a really fun week. Now that finals are over, we're just gonna rest, relax, have a great time. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along for this trip. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hello, hello.
I don't know how to pop the friggin' trunk on this thing.
You had to freaking turn the car off.
It's so nice.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Dude, it's literally perfect.
Dude, and the flight attendant said like 79 degrees. I was like,
we were walking around our place. I was like, dude, this is just like perfect. Like it's not hot, it's not cold. It's just like
there's a little breeze going too.
It's
like usually Florida's kind of stuffy. It's a little breezy, man.
Beautiful, bro.
Real nice.
Seriously, Meg could have came down too.
Yeah, I told her to come. I literally
like you could have had someone else come
wow.
too. You could have had like 6 people.
Look at that. Double sinks.
Yeah, so kind of nice.
Wow.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, this is big. It's really nice. So they didn't let us record because there was like a safety hazard or whatever, but we just rode that thing. It goes way up. Look at all our hair, man. It's all messed up now. Yeah, I only had one person in my car, so it was like spinning around and stuff.
I know it's really.
Oh, yeah, you could get dread now. Day 2 here in Orlando. This is going to be our first workout of the trip so far. We're here at Kissimmee Muscle Gym. We are just going to catch a little bench workout along with some hypertrophy movements. I think Ryan's squatting. I'm probably not going to squat today just because my knees are still bothering me. But yeah, 8 weeks out from our second powerlifting meet. Yeah, we got some filmception going on, but hella cameras. What's up, Natalie? Hi.
I don't know about that.
We got a Texas bodybuilding bar, whatever that means. It's a little bit thinner. It feels nice and whippy. We got some pound plates on here. We might go for a little bit of a crazy touch and go PR right now because it's feeling kind of good. So we'll see what we got going.
Bounce on
all kinds of bounce.
Let me see some bounce. That's nothing, dude.
Oh my God. Woo.
It's nothing, man. It's nothing.
Dude, bar's like that thin around. It literally feels like I'm holding like a freaking string bean or something. That's crazy.
Couple of string beans in the hands, huh?
Yeah,
easy.
Turn the elbows though. How thin it is. It's like
that's what you gotta do is you gotta bounce it a little bit, take some stress off the elbows.
Oh, if only I brought my elbow wraps. You could hit something insane.
Throw some knee sleeves on your elbows, man.
Yeah.
Knee sleeves on the elbows.
I have the SBDs in the bag.
You could do it.
I have the SBD elbow sleeves, but I left them at home.
Yeah, you could do it. I could try your knee sleeves on my arms.
Yeah, they'd fit you. They're mediums.
You could try it. Come on. Get up.
The whip was weird, man. I'm pretty sure you went up, down, and then up. Yeah, the whip was like really weird. That was Mega Sauce 300 sloppy single on weird noodle bar bench press.
You get some bounce off it, but then it swings up and down and like.
No, it like flew off my chest and it was like misgroove, left, right, left. Oh, nice. Big Grammy's working out behind us. No big deal.
same thing.
Had a great freaking workout today. It was like nice and warm in this gym, and like it's the first time we've done like a lot of more hypertrophy style, like bodybuilding type movements. Freaking Big Ramy was in here. That was insane.
Big Ramy, bro.
Overall, we just got it.
Just walks by my little fucking video.
Yeah, you're literally filming your little
I know,
fit check videos with Big Ramy.
I literally saw him walk by like.
Welcome, Mr. Kyle.
What's up?
Fresh off the plane. Welcome to Orlando.
It is nice down here. It's my first time.
Dude, how did you feel stepping off and the weather was just nice and warm?
I know,
Honestly,
right?
it's such a reliever just
yeah.
like
You had to
coming
feel.
from Cleveland and like
Dude, it was
20
so
degrees, cold in
degrees.
Cleveland.
20 degrees
Now
in
it's just
Ohio.
like I have to put the sweatshirt on.
Dude, it's just
My
freaking
ass.
70. Dude, we were sweating the gyms now. It's so
Did
nice.
you guys do what I said and look up restaurants or no?
I was
Because I was
focused.
driving. I was
grinding?
really trying to look up restaurants while I was driving, but it wasn't working out.
Oh, that's not safe, man. That's not very
Well,
safe.
I was.
Got the Chipotle going down. Gotta stick to the basics, man. All right, so it's now about roughly, what, 60 minutes after our workout. So our anabolic window is completely closed right now. Like, we aren't able to absorb any of these nutrients whatsoever. We're literally just eating just for the simple pleasure of eating.
You're not absorbing it as well, though. That's the truth of it. You're not going to.
Yeah, but like 60 minutes is usually a pretty good threshold, I believe. Like, I don't think 30, 60, whatever. We're getting our food in. We're getting big and strong. We're gonna be okay. We got our protein. We're spiking NPS. We're doing all the right things out here. Clean meal. You know the vibes.
Holy shyster! What's going on in here? You got penthouse view?
Welcome to the place, big guy. Hey, this is our room. Look. This is where we're at. It's so big. It's like space for like a ton of people. Why do I still have my mask on? It's real big in here.
There was room in the bed, man.
Dude, we could have freaking Meg and like everyone down here.
Let's just not talk about it.
Alright, so we're here at Universal today. It's a little bit chilly outside. It's cold. There's hunk of people dressed like Harry Potter. It's gonna be a crazy day, nonetheless. We just freaking stemmed out. I took like 3 freaking scoops of energy. Kyle took like 7. We're getting pumped up, baby. We're getting pumped up, man. Holy crap. It goes straight up. It goes straight up.
Hello, humans.
What's up? What's up? Dude, no wonder the freaking Indians were shredded.
Imagine finding this many bugs throughout the day. You only get 10.1 calories from all that. You're searching all day long.
All right, Kyle, give your overall rating.
Honestly, I had very high expectations for Universal because I've always thought it was for little kids and stuff. Absolutely not. One of the greatest things I've ever.
Oh, he loves it. What do you say, Ryan? What do you say about Universal? What do you gotta
Universal.
say?
I mean, this place is always so much fun, man.
Oh,
There's
right.
very well themed rides.
I like it. It was very well put together. I think it's worth the money, honestly.
Yes, very different, very different. Lovely Christmas
It's
setting
tough-
we got
it's tough
going
because
on.
there's like 2 different parks and each one's like $130, so it's like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like, how do you decide?
It's a pretty penny, but it's worth it nonetheless. So
Yeah, you can.
look at that thing. That thing rocked our socks off. All right, guys. So last day in Orlando today. We are currently about to go mini golfing now that it's noon and we're finally out of the house. Like some responsible adults. Yeah.
I know.
Oh, there's a few of them. But yeah, we're checking out the Olympia today. There's a little like expo pavilion fan thing that they have going on. So we're gonna meet up with some people there, and then we are going to train later as well. Me and Kyle got some squats going down. I think Ryan's got some bodybuilding stuff, right? Kind of like a
Bodybuilding helmet.
pretty busy day going down. We also are gonna go out to dinner tonight, you know? A lot of stuff going on. Kind of a jam-packed day. Trying to get a lot done here on the last day. It's gonna be crazy. Let's go. We're out here mini golfing. Me and Kyle against Ryan and Natalie. We're definitely taking the dub, like obviously. You literally golfed in high school. Your whole future depends on this and your dignity. Good
Made
job.
it before you. Yeah.
Good
It's
job.
just flight work. Routine.
That's 6. That's a few of them at least.
Gotta be 6.
Sorry, Kyle carries us. We're all good. Mr. Dangler's analyzing the slopes of the course. He's got to see every freaking intricate detail in the bump.
With me and Kyle here, I'm not gonna lie.
It's super competitive.
Play it.
Yeah.
Is it bad?
Oh!
Right over the
That's like in Wii Sports, they're like,
oh! Oh my god.
So this hole is very ominous. We have no idea what's going on to the other side. We just take risks and we just freaking nail it. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
There it is.
You can't even see the hole, man.
I know, that's what you like.
Oh! Oh!
Damn it.
Smack that one.
I don't have the touch, man. Don't have the touch. Gained too much size since the last time I freaking mini golf.
Yeah.
The final card. Who will be declared the winner?
4, 7, 10, 12, 14.
Yeah, add up ourselves after. I don't trust this count. I don't trust it one bit.
Let's go, baby.
Came down to freaking 1
It literally came down to the last one.
Came down to the
I knew
last
that.
hole and you beat us by 1. How? The last. Okay, so this is actually really nice. Ryan just put me onto this. If you choose a 3-pointer at Chipotle, you essentially get 3 points to use. So meats are 2 points, rice is just another, with rice, vegetable, whatever. If you want to choose like a vegetable and meat, you can do that, or rice and a meat, obviously. So you can get double white rice, which is a good amount of rice, and then steak, which is usually much more expensive at Chipotle. And I just like steak a lot more than chicken as well, for only $5. And then you freaking ask for a tortilla on the side, nice little clean, high protein, high carb meal pre-workout. And then to freaking end all that off, you bring in your Gorilla Mode shaker, and you just freaking top that thing off with water, get nice and hydrated. We got it going on. Freaking about to crush the workout. Let's go. All right, so we want to make sure that our pre-workout is hitting by the time we get to the gym. So we're outside Chipotle right now, parked. We're just gonna pop our pre-workouts. I didn't bring Gorilla Mode with me on this trip because I didn't have enough room in my freaking carry-on bag. So I'm taking this unmarked freaking thing of whey protein, which actually has 1 scoop of mesomorph inside, the DMAA version. So last little set on this trip, just gonna take a crazy pre-workout. Kyle's got some BPN flight going down like always. Endo pump and flight, and then I think Ryan will be doing the same, and then we're gonna go smash a workout. Me and Kyle got some shitty squats going down, you know how it is, and then a bunch of other powerlifting movements along with some fun accessories there at the end. All right, so we are here at Power Strength on the last day. We're meeting up with our boy Marshall right now to train, and potentially other people that might show up, who knows. And then right after that, 2 hours later, we got the Olympia. Oh, Marshall with freaking Marshall. There we go. There we go. Ask Kyle, it freaking works. Kyle's arch is like insane now.
Yeah, it's a little Golden State Bridge action.
We're Marshall out here. Met up with us today for a little training session. He was at the Olympia all day. We didn't get to check out the expo because it was a little underwhelming from what we saw, but I think not very many people showed up after the expo got moved from Las Vegas to Orlando. But yeah, I think we might check out like a little watch party after this. We'll see what's going on. Might catch a little dinner. This kid, man, trains way more freaking bodybuilding movements than me. He's doing like a lot of weight on all these like little accessory movements. I'm out here doing a lot in the big three, but guy's strong on these other movements that I tend to neglect.
Just because I do cardio.
Yeah, cardio, freaking low rest time, all that pumpy stuff, you know what I mean? What are these clowns doing? My lord. Bro, yeah, this is the most ingenious shit I've ever seen. If you guys ever aren't getting a good stretch at your gym on the cable machine, fucking stand on a little platform. I never even thought of that. Big brain. All right, so nice little last workout here, and we depart tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go home, change up, go out to dinner, maybe watch the Olympia. It's almost a wrap, man.
You definitely need to take him up on that.
Nice meeting you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Nice little shitty workout today, but
yeah, but it was a workout, you know.
Yeah, we'll have to like meet up at the Arnold or something.
Yeah,
sure.
everyone else is. Sure, absolutely.
Yeah. All right, man.
Funky,
Have a nice night.
You guys have a safe drive.
For sure. Appreciate it, man. Sounds good. Peace out, brother.